Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Perfect Forex, and today guys I'll be doing a quick analysis of the Boom 500 index market. As stated in my previous video, I said I'll be dropping a video of how I was able to scale in on the Boom 500 index market, how I rode the market from this point down to this point, how I stayed in the market for days. Actually pre-recorded this analysis, this video, but I can't really lay hold of that video right now, of the one I pre-recorded before the market got to this point. It is this very point, from this point down to this point. I can't really lay hold on that video right now, so I have to just quickly do another analysis of the things I saw that made me scaling on this market, how I was able to enter this market. Okay guys, I don't want to make this video lengthy. I just want to quickly show you guys what I saw, the things I took into consideration before entering the market. Now basically, if you're familiar with chart patterns, you see that on the 4 hour time frame, there was a pattern forming at this region. Let me just zone that place out for you guys to see clearly. At this region, there was a formation of what? Of a chart pattern, and that chart pattern is called what? A bearish flag. There was a bearish flag forming on the 4 hours. Now I saw this and I quickly marked that zone out. That zone out and went down to the 15 minutes. But before I go ahead guys, I am a swing trader. Basically, I am a swing trader. I prefer to swing trades, that is old trades, for days. I prefer to swing trade for days. And why I actually do that is because of my personality. I prefer to just enter the market, analyze the market from the higher time frame, from the weekly down to the daily, down to the 4 hours, and then I enter sometimes from the 1 hour or sometimes from the 15 minutes time frame, so that I can actually have freedom to do other things. And basically, if I just sit with the market throughout the day looking for entries and all, I won't really have the freedom to engage in other activities. So it will really be nice to leave a 9 to 5 job to become a trader, and then become a trader eventually and continue 9 to 5 with your chart. Basically, why most people, I shouldn't say everybody, why most people trade is for freedom, and not just freedom but freedom of time. So guys, I won't really see it as something nice for me personally to just sit with the chart every time and just be looking for opportunities to scale in. I prefer to just analyze the market, scaling, and then engage in other things. So guys, basically I'm a swing trader and I prefer to swing trade for days. So when I saw this formation on the 4 hours, I quickly came down to the 15 minutes time frame to look if I will be able to see entries, and I actually saw some other confirmations for a sell at this point. If you are familiar with chart patterns, you understand that once there is a bearish flag forming, what follows suit is a bearish move, is a downward move. Once there's a bullish flag forming, what follows suit is a bullish move. Now I saw the bearish flag on the 4 hours and I quickly came down to the 15 minutes time frame to look for entries. As you can see, at this very point, there was a reaction. At this point, price got to this point and there was a reaction. Price sold, came down, just fluctuated and came back to this point again, and there was a reaction. And then I began to take note of what was going on there, and price sold, came down and also came back to this point, and there was a reaction. As you can see, I marked that zone out. Now this actually formed a double top. This point to this point formed a double top, and then once the market got to this point, I began to look out for a triple top forming. Once the market got to this point, I began to look for a triple top forming. I wasn't really convinced, I wasn't really sure that the market would form a triple top, but I just marked that zone out to see candle formations at that point to give me further confirmation for a triple top. And at this point, I saw a strong rejection. At this point. Market got to this point and there was a rejection, and I began to look for candle formations, and the next candle that followed it was a full bearish candle followed by an inverted hammer, and that gave me the confirmation that okay, this is a triple top for me. It's a triple top for me. And if you're familiar with chart patterns, what follows suit after a triple top or a double top is what? A bearish move. A bearish move, sorry, a bearish move. What follows suit after a triple top or a double top is a bearish move. So I saw that, and immediately this candle closed, I began to look for sell opportunities. This candle closed, these two candles gave me the confirmation for a sell. I began to look for sell opportunities. Then I scaled in the market. I scaled in the market, and I began to ride the market. The price got to this point. This point I marked out, and there was a rejection. It's at this point. Price sold from this point. I got here, and there was a rejection, and the rejection pushed the candle to this point. Let me show you guys. Let me make it more clearer. Price got to this point, and there was a rejection to this point. As you can see, this point again, this zone, there was a formation. There was a pattern formation, which actually indicates a double top. And once, as I said earlier, once there's a double top forming, what follows suit is what? A bearish move. What follows suit is a bearish move once there is a double top forming. Now, coupled with the first confirmation of the bearish flag, the second confirmation of what? Of the triple top forming, the third confirmation of candlestick, and another confirmation of what? Of a double top here. I knew this market was going to sell. I don't know if I've said this before, but let me just drop this here. I don't just enter the market with two confirmations. I at least look out for 3 to at least 7 confirmations before I enter the market. I repeat, 3 to 7. And you might be like, why? How do I see confirmations from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that? You can actually chat me up on Telegram, and and I'll do it to respond, and I will be showing you guys how I do that. I don't really want to say some things here, but you can just chat me up on Telegram, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay. Then I saw these confirmations, and I said, okay, this market is going to sell, and I scaled in the market, and I rode the market down from this point. I rode it down, rode it down to this point where I marked out. Sorry, let me show you that 4 hours. This point where I marked out, and I exited the market. Rode it for days, and I exited the market. If you've been following me up to this point, at the end of this video, I will show you guys the before, the during, and the after of this analysis. How I entered the market, how I was able to stay in the market, and when I exited the market. Basically, for me, guys, there's something I call entry reasons, stay reasons, and exit reasons. Sorry about that, guys. There's something I call entry reasons, stay reasons, and exit reasons. I saw entry reasons, and I entered the market. And I don't just enter the market and just enter just for entry sake and I just stay there. No, I continue to look out for stay reasons that will make me stay in the market. And when I saw that double top forming on the 15-minute at this point, I knew that okay, this market was going to sell. So my stay reason was confirmed. So I entered the market, and I stayed in the market till it got to the point when it was about to reverse. And it didn't actually reverse, it broke that point and formed an all-time low. Boom500 just formed an all-time low, and I actually went out of the market from this point. So guys, as I said, I don't really want to make this video lengthy. I'll just be ending the video here. But those are the reasons why I was able to enter the market and ride the market for days. I rode the market for about 3 days or so, and I made good profit. So guys, first of all, I saw a bearish chart pattern, that is the bearish flag at this point on the 4 hours. I scaled down quickly to the 15 minutes to look out for more confirmation at this point. A triple top forming, first top, second top, and third top. saw the triple top forming, saw another confirmation for a stay after scaling in the market, saw another confirmation for a stay, and then I entered the market and I wrote the market down. So guys, that's that about the analysis of Boom500, how I was able to enter the market and ride the market for days. So guys, I'll be ending the video here. If you are just seeing this YouTube channel for the first time or this video for the first time, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you guys will be notified. Also guys, please do also click on the like button and also share my videos, share my content with your friends, and also please drop a comment about this video. Quickly, I'll be ending this video here. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. I feel there's something I still need to say that I'm forgetting, but well, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And till then, this is Perfect Forex. Do have a great day and God bless.